Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone using a Primera LX series label printer, the Jantoy AC-DC adapter. This unit is specifically compatible with models like the LX400, LX800, LX810, and LX900, serving as a direct replacement for the Primera 150404. Upon first glance, its compact design and sleek black finish are immediately noticeable. Weighing just 9 ounces, it's incredibly portable, making it convenient for various setups, whether at home or in a small office. Beyond its practical size, its low power consumption also contributes to an efficient operation. A standout feature of this Jantoy adapter is its robust focus on safety and durability. It's manufactured with high-quality materials and, crucially, incorporates built-in protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. This provides significant peace of mind, knowing your valuable label printer is shielded from potential electrical issues. The adapter has also undergone rigorous testing by the manufacturer to ensure it meets high standards for both safety and long-term reliability. While it operates as a straightforward plug-and-play device, there are a couple of vital considerations for optimal performance and longevity. Firstly, it is absolutely critical to select the correct voltage before connecting it to your Primera printer. Many small household appliances, including some printers, lack internal circuit protection, meaning an incorrect voltage could potentially cause damage. The manufacturer also advises using less than 80% of the adapter's full load, a wise practice for extending its operational life. Another practical tip for maintenance involves regularly cleaning the charging port. Over time, plugs can accumulate dirt, which might lead to poor contact or even prevent the adapter from functioning correctly. A simple, routine cleaning can easily prevent these minor but frustrating issues. Finally, adhering to a few common-sense precautions will ensure this adapter serves you well for years. It's designed for indoor use, so keep it away from harsh environments. Avoid dropping it or subjecting it to physical impact, as extreme temperatures or knocks can shorten the life of electronic equipment and damage internal circuit boards. And, as previously mentioned, avoid running it overloaded to prevent premature wear. In essence, for Primera LX series printer owners seeking a dependable, safe, and well-constructed replacement or spare AC-DC adapter, the Jantoy offering presents itself as a very solid choice. Its comprehensive protection features, convenient design, and the manufacturer's commitment to quality make it a compelling option to keep your label printer consistently powered and ready for action.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.